Hello, everyone. My name is Ana Maria Todoran, and we are very delighted to find out that Jake has been nominated for the PC Award with our 34 Solution project. And let me tell you a little bit about it. So, the idea of the project actually started in the summer of 2024 when, in our main airport from Bucharest, the ventilation system broke down. So, for a number of consecutive days, the passenger didn't have a ventilation system and air conditioning. We come up with the idea to advocate for free public water in institutions and public spaces. And as we are a youth organization and we are sending participants and young people in other countries and they are transitioning in that airport, we wanted to advocate and we started from the actual airport. After this event, we wrote to the Ministry of Transportation, to the airport, the Ministry of Environment and Health to propose to have 10 public and free water stations in the airport. As of now, those fountains are still not in the airport, but we come up with another idea to write an Erasmus Plus project, 34 Solutions. The project started in 2025, and the first step was actually to found a network of young people who want the same thing in their local community, to bring potable water and free water in public spaces. So together with these young people, we actually developed different events on different UN days, starting with Environmental Day, Youth International Day, as well as Volunteering Day. And they also developed another event under the Climate Change Summit event here in Bucharest. And we brought awareness over this topic to have public and free water in public spaces because it is not a luxury, it is actually a necessity. Apart from the events that we did at local level here in Bucharest, we also had our Danube Caravan, where we went into 4 different cities, which were Călăraș, Fetești, Brăila, and Galați, near the Danube River, where we brought awareness about free and potable water in public spaces. In the Danube Caravan, we actually brought together over 220 young people face to face to a decision maker from their cities to actually talk about what problems they face in their communities, but also to actually say where they would want to have access to free potable water. The decision makers were either vice mayors, mayors, or from the council. And they heard them, and now we are still in communication with them to see what further actions we can do. Apart from our local actions that we took here in Bucharest, but also going beyond Bucharest, we were contacted by a deputy which wanted to propose a bill, which actually wanted to introduce the price of water to be maximum 3 RON in these public spaces, respectively also in the airport, which at the moment it's over 10 RON. That bill didn't pass on, but now there is another bill that is going to be proposed in the parliament, which is to actually have free and accessible water in these public spaces, meaning the airport, meaning the public institutions, and also the train stations and the transportations area. Well, now that's great news, and we are excited to see what's the result going to be. And we were so excited to hear this news because this is an actual proof of how you can gather the community, gather young people, and you can see things that are changing in your community. And small local action can actually be seen by a decision maker, by a policy maker, and be further proposed. So stay tuned. For our next step with the 34 Solution project is to gather young people from all over Romania in one place so they can develop an action plan that they can implement in their local communities, either being a local event, either being to sign petition, or to actually talk to authorities. To scale up the project at European level, we are going to bring 10 young people, either from the bootcamp or from the fellowship, face to face to a decision maker in Brussels, where we are going to discuss how we can implement this in other cities as well to bring free potable water in public spaces. We also want to thank once again for this nominalization and for making this project and this initiative visible at European level and even further. For the future, we would like to scale up the initiative and bring it further to the European decision makers. So stay tuned.